Welcome to the Rite Stuff 2.0, Church Publishing's premier liturgy planning software. In this demonstration video, we're going to talk about the Hymnal Browser. In previous versions of Rite Stuff, the Hymnal Browser used to be called Rite Song. In Rite Stuff 2.0, it's much more integrated with the software instead of behaving like a separate product. From the home screen, click on Library, and click on Interactive Hymnal from the Hymnal Browser. Here you'll see the interface for searching, browsing, and downloading music. In this case, I'm going to want some music for Ascension. So, I do a search, and here is music that's appropriate for that particular season. In this case, I think I'm going to want to use the Candle Anthem. Select the piece of music you want, and click Add to Downloads. You'll see that it highlights to let you know that it's been added to your download queue. I think I'm going to want Hymn 231 as well. It's one of my favorites. We'll add that to downloads. Once you've selected the music that you'd like to use, go to your Downloadable Items tab. Here you'll see the music that we've selected for download. If you want to delete it, you simply click the Delete button and remove it from your queue. But once you've verified that this is in fact the music that you want, go down to the bottom and click Download Item or Download All. In this case, we're going to download all. It will give me the option to save the music wherever I'd like, and I can name the file whatever I want as well. This is going to download in a zip file. Once it's downloaded, double-click on the zip file that's downloaded to your hard drive and open the folder. Here you'll see there's a folder for music images. There's one for copyright and permissions forms in case they're required. All you do is fill them out, fax them or mail them. And there's a text file that has details in the text of the hymns that you've chosen. The Hymnal Browser, unlike previous versions of the Rite Stuff, now offers you the music graphics in what we call a split stave format. In other words, each of the music systems in the hymns are available broken across stave lines. It might seem like it makes it a little bit more complicated to import into a document, but in fact, it makes it much easier because now the music will break easily across page breaks. In previous versions of the Rite Stuff, because the music was in full plates, it made it rather difficult to manage the music in your service leaflet once you had imported them. You would occasionally end up with a good deal of white space. In Rite Stuff 2.0, because it's broken across stave boundaries, these pieces of music will flow across page boundaries much more naturally. That's the Hymnal Browser.